Hello friends, Vishwas Joshi here. Philately of India of the year 2005. A selection from our collection. Indian breeds of dogs. Through a long process of evolution, each geographical region in India has produced a distinctive breed. Clockwise from top left, Himalayan sheep dog, Rampur hound, Rajapalayam, Mudhol hound. Birth centenary of Padampat Singhania, the industrialist. Rotary International, a century of service. Flora and fauna of Northeast India. International Year of Physics. The year 1905 is marked as the turning point in physics with the publication of Albert Einstein's 5 papers in the same year. This stamp is of definitive type. 75th anniversary of Dandi March. Narayan Meghaji Lokhande. He is described as father of Indian labor movement. 100 years of cooperative movement in India. The cooperative movement dates back to the Cooperative Credit Societies Act of 1904. 200 years of State Bank of India. Of course, the ancestors of the bank carried different names. The names are Bank of Calcutta, Presidency Bank of Bombay and Presidency Bank of Madras. The depiction carries the heritage buildings which housed these banks. A.M.M. Murugappa Chettiar. His foresight has created a conglomeration of industries in diverse fields. Oh, look at this! Our silent friend, standing quietly all alone. Now our friend has grown to the age more than 150 years. The occasion is sesquicentennial year of the letter box. On the 4 stamps is depicted evolution in design of the letter box. Kavimani S. Deshika Vinayakam Pillai, a great poet and epigraphist. Builder's Navy. The depiction shows 3 classes of warships: Delhi, Kora and Udaygiri. The brochure published along with mentions that due to constant endeavor, the warships and submarines contain 70% parts produced indigenously in India. M.S. Subbulakshmi, the great Karnataka Sangeet vocalist. She has rendered more than 200 benefit performances to raise funds for human cause. The occasion is 50 years of Integral Coach Factory, Perambur, Chennai. In commemoration of Yadavpur University. 50 years of 16th Squadron Air Force, fondly called as Cobras. Golden Jubilee of Independence of Pondicherry. True that it was under the rule of France and was merged with India later on. The depiction shows Ai Mandapam in memory of a lady named Ai from Pondicherry. The legend goes that she dug a well for public at that location at the order of King Krishnadev Rai. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. Press the like button and share the video with your friends to spread the message of philately. Also, Subscribe to our channel Anand Lahari.